everyone.
Thanks for tuning in to Cook with April on Tasty Tuesday with our taste tester Justin.
Hey.
Today we're doing my mom's Turon recipe. Turon is a deep fried banana egg roll dessert that is from the Philippines. So I hope you guys enjoy. So here are the ingredients for the turon. You're gonna need the spring roll pastry wrappers. You can get this in the frozen section at like an Asian market, like Ranch. I've seen it at grocery stores. Like, you know how they have like specific like Asian sections in like the fridge aisle? You can find it there too. Mine was frozen, so I had to defrost it for 30 minutes just to let you guys know. And then for the caramel sauce, you're just gonna need butter and brown sugar. I like to add salt and baking soda as well. And you're gonna need a whole lot of oil because you are deep frying the turon. So this is just regular vegetable oil. And you'll need some brown sugar and jackfruit. I wanted to show you guys a container, how it looks like. I get this at Ranch Market or any Asian store will have it. The one that my mom always got was the Arroyo D one, and it's in syrup, so it's really sweet, so it's gonna be really good. And then, of course, the main thing, the bananas. These are plantains or also saba you can use, and they look like this. Like I have one that I didn't cut up because I wanted you to see what it looks like. They're like a bigger banana than, you know, a regular one. So let's get started, you guys. Oh, and I almost forgot, my bad. Some water. This water is for kind of like putting everything together and making the wrapper stick. Oh, and this is what the wrapper looks like. It's called spring roll pastry. Again, you can get it at Ranch Market or the grocery store. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a banana and I'm gonna dip it in brown sugar. Just coat it in a good amount of brown sugar. And then you're gonna put that in a wrapper, and I'm gonna add jackfruit. Jackfruit is optional, but my mom taught me to just add jackfruit. And then you're gonna just wrap it up like this. And then I like to roll it and roll it and roll it like that. Everyone wraps their, you know, their lumpia, their turon a different way, but I like it like this because then it's extra crispy because it's got a whole lot of layer of the wrapper. So that's one is done, and I did clean the surface, you guys. So let's do it one more again. So wrap it in brown sugar. Add jackfruit, which I like to add 2 just to cover it real good, and then wrap it like this in the middle. Maybe even get a little water to get that to stick together like that. And then I like to just go in like this and wrap it. And again, make sure you have a little water you dip in so that it stays on like that. All right, you guys, I put oil in the pan, I heated it up. We've been testing it to see. I think it's ready to go. You ready to deep fry that deliciousness? Oh, that's perfect. I should actually lower the heat because as I'm adding, I don't want it to burn the rest. So you're just gonna deep fry these guys on each side for a few minutes, but you'll know, like if your heat is higher, you're gonna have to flip it faster. I'm so excited! I'm gonna have to take a picture, send it to my mama, like, look mom, I did your recipe. All right, you guys, we gotta flip it. Some got too burnt, and some were just perfect. There we go. So I think these guys are ready, so I'm just gonna transfer it on a rack, and I have it like on a cooling rack so that the oil can just drip down underneath it. The cooling rack is on top of a cookie sheet. And also because I'm gonna put caramel on top later, and it's gotta, like, you know, coat it nicely, and then I just pour it on top like that. Look how beautiful and brown it is. Looking crispy, exactly how we want it to look. All right, you guys, it's time to make the caramel sauce. I melted the butter And now I'm going to add the brown sugar. I like to give it a good mix. And increase the heat because I want it to get to a boil. Do you guys see how it's gotten to a boil? You're gonna turn that off. And what I like to do is I like to add a pinch of salt, that, and a pinch of baking soda. Like that. And you are good to go. You can pour that on top of the lumpia. Or no, why did I say lumpia? The turon. You guys, so this works better. You just put, instead of pouring the caramel, just put the entire turon inside the caramel, like, and it works even better because that way it's completely coated. Oh, I should have done that earlier, but you know, trial and error, you know. And then, oh, it gets it like a nice, completely coated amount of sugar. And I'm all about that caramel life. Get that there, toss it around a little bit. Yes, friends. Okay, we're all done. Testing time!
Yes! So I'm gonna need it. It's still hot. So
first of all, disclaimer, my mom shared this recipe. It's her recipe, and I can never make it as good as my mom's because your mom always makes, you know, like everyone's mom always makes the better one.
I don't know, honey. This might be giving your moms a run for the money.
Oh no, Mama!
This? I'm sorry!
No, my mom is gonna
I'm sorry! This is excellent. This just tastes just like it.
Thank you.
Or even a little bit better.
No, don't say that.
It's really good.
My mom just sprinkles brown sugar on top and then uses, like, you know, the heat of the turon itself to kind of melt it. But I like making caramel sauce. This is probably extra, you know, like the butter or the brown sugar, but I like to put all that on top.
You know why I actually like this one better? Sorry, Mom. Seriously, I'm going there. It's not as fried as the one your mom does, I feel like. Like the wrapping, I don't know, no, like, does she use 2 wrapping papers on it? I don't know, because it feels like there's a lot more wrapping on the one she makes. And
this is not a tea channel, okay? This is not a tea channel. We need to stop the
All I'm saying is I really like this. If you guys have never had plantains or jackfruit, the combination flavor together. Plantains, you know, it looks like a banana, of course, but it's slightly different. It's not as sweet, I feel like, maybe, right? And the consistency is just a little bit different. But the jackfruit with the plantain together, with the wrapping and the brown sugar and the caramel, this is really good. It's like...
The reason why it wasn't as fried is because the fryer we were using was not as good as like a stove rate, like the range that we have. Like it just couldn't get hot enough. But thank you, friends, so much for watching. Mom, I apologize for the tea on this video. Just kidding. My mom's probably just proud that I actually made this.
Oh, this is so good though.
Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye. Oh, I'm gonna call my mama and tell on you. Tell on you.